guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we is doing a mukbang. Never have I ever. So okay, let's pray. God, thank you for this food. Bless, amen. Okay, y'all, we is spent to eat this food and answer some questions because we have nothing else to do. So yeah, we decided to do a never have I ever last minute.
No, that's what we're eating, y'all. We eating a gallon cheeseburger with sea captain.
And I'm eating a pizza puff and fries. So, we're gonna get started in this video. Oh man, I was smacking. Okay. First question.
She gonna be doing all the talking.
Cause you're gonna be doing a lot of eating. You need to sit back. Cause you cough.
Okay.
Never have I ever ditched at school. If yes, why? Want me to go first?
Ladies first.
Okay. Yes, I ditched at school before.
Why?
Why? I either wasn't having a good day, either was irritated or in my feelings. I don't know. And sometimes I want to have fun. Yeah, I did. And when if it's hot summertime, sometimes I want to have fun a little early and get outside a little early. Because my giddy always came and got me. So, yeah, I ditched to school a couple times. In the afternoon. Probably the last 2 periods or something like that. Yeah, but look, I did ditch grammar school. I did. In my grammar school, I did ditch before and ran to the store and got some little hot chips and some little junk. Because it was boring in grammar school. That was my first ditch though. The grammar school one time.
What about high school?
A lot of time. I can't count. A lot of time. I'm going to the store, McDonald's coming back, getting food, all kinds of stuff. Have you ever ditched school?
Nuh-uh.
Never? Never even grammar school? Never in high school?
Nope, because my old man always put fear in my heart. I ain't just in school, bro.
Okay. Number 2. Never have I ever cheated on any test. Any test. It could be whatever test that you ever took before. Yeah. I cheated on tests before in grammar school.
I cheated on a whole
High
bunch
school, kind of, but not really, because I didn't have a lot of people I socialized in my class because I was in an auto and body type of thing. That's what I was major in. And mostly with boys, so I was the main kind of smarter. Have you ever cheated on any test?
Mm-hmm.
What test? When? High school? Grammar school?
Grammar school, high school.
Why?
I guess it's what I get for not listening in class.
Same
What?
thing. Same thing. Yeah. I'm on listening. That wasn't kind of my thing, listening. I don't
Trying
like
to be a class clown. Come back bite some.
Yeah, I don't used to like listen. I don't like people telling me what to do. I don't care who it is. Okay. Never have I ever lied to my parents about anything, no matter what it was.
You gonna eat?
What you do with your food, baby?
That's in the room.
You want a piece of puff? Okay. What I was lied to my parents. Yeah. Like what type of things?
I don't have a coronavirus, so don't ask me why I keep coughing in the video.
I lied. I probably lied about my grades. Yeah, in grammar school. I probably changed my grade or something. I really didn't really lie.
Okay.
I haven't really lied about nothing. You want to fry?
No.
He's sleeping. I haven't really lied about nothing, so. I mean, but yeah, I had lied a couple times to my parents. I can't give you reasons because I don't remember. My daddy was hard on all his girls. It's about 4 of us.
What's wrong?
There's 4 of us. His TV. Go help him.
Come on.
It was about 4 of us. So, I lied. I lied to them before. I can't really give a reason. But he was just hard on us. There was certain stuff we can do and go without him finding out. Somebody always told. So it was like I lied, but I was already caught. So, have you ever lied to your parents about something?
Ooh. Yeah. I had to lie about what I lied about. Not getting my report card.
Okay.
My old man always asking for my report card. There's no report card pickup when you get off work. But you ain't had a report card when you got off work. Yo, ass ain't getting what you want. That's a wrap, man. One day I try to count them, one falling for them. That's what happened to me. And then again, don't lie to your parents, y'all. I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah, there's no need to. I mean, it's not. I just did it because I don't know. Stole your parents' car. Never have ever stole my parents' car. Kind of, sort of. Yeah. I didn't really go too far. But yeah. I did. Why? I don't know. You know, you be young and you be wanting to learn how to drive and do something. So you just, you know, get in the car and just start testing stuff and just try to, I don't know. Yeah. I did. Got in trouble. But yeah. I did.
I stole a car. I stole a car. Why? Came to see you. I got in trouble for you, for real. I did.
You got in trouble for coming to see me?
Yeah, I did.
I mean, it was worth it,
It was
right?
late night, though. It wasn't late. It was like 10:30, 11. 10, 11, I came to see you. So that was all I did. Okay. I knew how to drive. I had a permit.
Okay.
But it's just like, I really didn't trip because, you know, I knew where I was going, but.
Okay.
Yeah, basically I stole a car. I really didn't do nothing.
Number 5, lied about where I was going. To anybody, not just your parents. Like, have you lied to somebody about where you was going before and why? Yeah, I lied about where I was going. A lot of times.
For what?
I lied to, like, my friends. They asked me where I'm going. And, you know, like, you ready to go, you know, be with the one you love and you ready to go. I gotta go in the house, so I'm tired, I'm sleepy, or my mama or my daddy called me. You know, it's like, you know. Basically, didn't want to be bothered. Or was, you know, I had to make an excuse. Because, you know, your friends will get mad that you're trying to leave. So you had to make up an excuse. So, I lied plenty of times about where I was going. Because there was none of their business.
You know Johnny gonna be there. You ain't gotta leave. What you leaving me for? Yeah, I know.
It was none of their business. That's how I felt. You lied about where you was going to anybody? I think so. You lied a lot.
Yeah. Who lied a lot?
You lied to friends, to everybody a lot. I'll be right back. No, let's come back.
We'll come back. Yeah, I lied before. I lied about what? What did I lie about? It was something petty though, you know?
I don't know why I got this bonnet
Lying
on,
about,
but I
like,
just got the shower and I
what
didn't knock
am I
that
lying
light.
about?
What? Not about where you was going before.
Yeah.
Let's,
I lied to my mama. I told her I was going to the store.
where you going?
She gave me some money, give me some shoes. I ain't gonna buy no motherfucking shoes. I kept that money in my pocket.
So who baking?
You know?
Sorry for that.
I kept that money in my pocket, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. I said, have you ever stole money? Never have I ever stole money. Like,
From who?
anybody in general. Like, it was stolen. It wasn't like you found it.
Like you mean like
It's,
taking out of somebody's pocket?
yep, out of somebody's purse, possession. Or if you was at somebody's house and they had it on their dresser or a bed or...
Nope, never did that before.
And you just stole it.
No, I never did that before.
Okay. Me? Stole money. Yeah, I have stole money before.
What you more did?
Mm-hmm.
Want some juice?
Back in grammar school as a kid, I used to be a candy store. Her name was Linda, across the street from my house. And my daddy always just want to give us $2 and stuff like that a day so we won't have a lot of candy. Back in grammar school, and my daddy mom used to have a little change job that they used to bill a change up in. And I stole some. Mostly every other day, every other weekend. Yeah, because I needed more snacks for when I come in the house. I always get flaming hot cheese and some peach rings and ice cup. And my daddy don't play too much junk, so I used to have to steal some change out the jar and go to the store and then hide it for later. Yeah. So it was little money, but it was money. I stole it.
Mm-hmm.
Never have I ever put any, or never have you ever put any of your clothes on backwards? Yeah, I did. Multiple times. If I'm sleepy or I'm tired.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'd be rushing and I might leave it like that.
I did it yesterday. When I was getting ready for work, had my drawers on backwards.
You always he always put his drawers on backwards.
Out there, bro.
He always put your drawers on backwards. You never pay attention. He just be going at the door.
Ain't
6
no
and
wrong with
1.
that. You can always get a 5-0 double up on.
Boy, no.
You win backwards one day, you win. You only get 2 days.
No.
I'm just saying. Don't do that. Don't do that, dog.
Okay. Number 8. Liked someone and got to know them and didn't like them anymore. It's like, okay, if you meet somebody.
Who?
You meet somebody and you like them. Like, you liked somebody, but when you really get to know them and meet them, you don't like them anymore. It wasn't what you know? Like, just say if I ran into you, I met you. And not just, it don't have to be, a girl, boy. It don't matter.
You mean like just a friend or?
Yeah, you can like them as a friend. You can like them as like them. However.
Like they vibe and shit like that?
Yeah. But when you got to know them, it wasn't what you expected. And you didn't like them no more, basically. I get that all the time. I like, a lot of females as friends. Get to know them. And it's like, nah, you're not what I thought you was and not what I expected. Or, it's a cordial type. It's like, I wouldn't think you'll be a really, really friend. I don't like it. But
Gotta keep that on deck. The corona going around.
But that was really it. I ain't, what about you? Liked someone, got to know them, didn't like them like that anymore?
I know we got that far one.
Come
on, fat dad. That's okay.
Because you just had it. He could have just came around on your side. Yeah, I'm tweaking. But
he knocked the phone down.
Liked someone or what? Got to know someone, liked them, didn't like them no more. No. Next. I guess we don't know. Number 9. Never have I ever snuck outside.
Snuck outside?
Never have I ever snuck outside before. What, Jameer? Never have I ever snuck outside.
Yeah, I have. say,
I have multiple times because I had a curfew when I was a young age, but even though I always abused it, that curfew, I always did what I wanted to. And then some had to stay in for a couple of days. Was it wifey? Not really. When you see everybody else playing outside, not really, but yeah. Don't sneak outside because I got into a fight. One time I snuck outside and that was a big incident. But number 10, like that your friend, girlfriend or boyfriend. Never have ever liked that my friend's girlfriend or boyfriend.
no.
You said no? No. Never liked it my friend's boyfriends. Since I'm a girl, I have to say friend boyfriend. But I never liked my friend's boyfriend. I try not to even like none of their boyfriends. Depending on their situation. But no. Especially if I see how he doing you, then that's a turn off. But never. 11. Had, let me see how I'm gonna put this. Never have I ever did the nasty in the car.
Ha! Ha!
You need some getaway. I think you might need to come down. You geeked up. Yes. I have did the nasty in the car before. Yes. How about
you? I have.
Last question, y'all. 12. Never have I ever kissed at your own gender. Kissed at your own gender.
No, I never did. No.
Look at you finna cuss. No. I'm lying, y'all. Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
He said bye. It ain't time to close out yet if it did.
Yes, I have liked it. I mean, kissed it my own gender. Whether you're my friend or whether we drunk, whether it was a kid, like niece or something like that, or someone that I called my girlfriends, as in friends. Yeah, I have. Yes. I think everybody probably have if it's your mother or father. Yeah. Yeah. But, yes you did. Kiss Jameer. Kiss. Yes, he kissed Jameer. He have. But, that is all of the questions, you guys. And if you want to see a part 2, comment down below. But the Never Have I Ever nasty, dirty edition questions. So comment down below. Comment some questions that you would want us to ask for the nasty, dirty edition of Never Have I Ever. Please comment down below, because I get a couple of viewers and we don't get no comments on what would you like to see next, or any questions on us that you would like to know for us to put in the next video, or that you want to know about us to answer. But part 2, if you want to see a part 2, comment down below. So we're supposed to do it in part 2 with the powder smack, but we didn't have no comments down below letting us know questions of what y'all want us to ask to do that challenge again. So if y'all want us to do this challenge again, comment down below, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, say subscribe, so every time we post you'll get notified. So make sure you subscribe. And that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching our channel.